Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is known trails overlay effect used especially for photographer user, and you see these are high quality and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime of all password access. Okay, these are JPG file mostly used in Photoshop. uh, wow, you can apply your photo. For example, I drag this one in Photoshop or open in Photoshop. We need a image, like this one. Quality is 50/25, okay, and here is 25. Simply drag here and click on layer, click on screen, soft light, depend your own choice. I think the screen is better, lightener. Okay, or apply any other on this photo. Enter, click on screen. Our effect is ready. No, you can apply any other photo because here is high definition. Control Shift U, go to black and white, size is 3000, and open any other photo like this one. Sorry, overlay, drag here. You see our effect on this photo, or you can remove it. Hardness is low. Okay, or depend your own choice, you can make more better. Okay, press U, you can change color, or here is 55 file and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.